Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and I am super excited about today's video. I am telling you guys and showing you guys how to use the Silken, this baby right here. I know I've told you guys about this before, but now I'm going to actually show you guys how to use it and explain a little more about it. So let's get right into this video. I have already done this side of my face. I did it on a Facebook Live video, so I will be doing this side of my face on this video. So what you want to do is you want to press this button once. Did I turn it off? I think I turned it off. Hold on one second. I didn't turn it off. My son turned it off. Okay, so what you do is you press this button right here once, and it'll go solid because before it was like going around. And then I'm gonna put it on level 2, and you're supposed to warm up your skin. Honestly, I usually just go to level 5. That's me. You don't have to do that. You put about a half of a spoon, teaspoon on here, and then you just put it to your skin, and as soon as the light touches your skin, like the device, it'll actually light up. And it comes with a carrying case, and it looks like this, and the charger, and then the device goes right there. It comes with this pamphlet right here, and it shows you like before and after shots of people that have used it, and that's usually within 10 weeks you start seeing like maximum results. Sorry, I can't ever talk, you guys know. And it tells you like how to section off your face right here. So basically this is one section, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each section you want to use this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So my skin's already warmed up a little bit, so I'm just going to go to 5, which is maximum heat. And you will feel it getting warm. It doesn't hurt at all. When you're done using it, your skin will feel really tight. The next day my skin was a little, like, it wasn't really sore. I can just tell, but I think it may be because I was like rubbing so hard, like going up, because I really want to get this deep down in there. But I think that's the only reason why it wasn't like really sore. I just can tell that I had used it. And let me see, I'm going to tell you a little more about it. It does come also with this gel, and basically all this is a gel that is like ultrasound gel. And when this thing starts getting dry, I don't like to add more gel just because I got one thing, and I'll have to order some more off Amazon. And I do use this, and it does kind of dry out quick just because of the heat to this. So what I do is I use this Skin & Co. mist, but you can actually use like any just like face mist that's like hydrating, and it'll re-wet your skin and just kind of re-wet that gel so that it just slides on, because all you want it to be able to do is just kind of like slide on your face. You don't want it to start tugging, which when it does dry, you can actually hear like the electricity running through your skin. It just makes like a zapping sound, I guess you could say. But it's just like showing you that it's working. Let me go ahead and get these papers that tell a little bit about it. Okay, so getting to know Silken. It all began 10 years ago when a group of esteemed scientists, engineers, and business professionals renowned for their achievements in developing minimally invasive aesthetic devices for cosmetic surgeons and professionals set out to bring these technologies home. The goal was to create devices that people could use in the privacy of their own homes that truly delivered professional results at affordable prices and completely safe. The Silken promise is ACES. Affordable, convenient, effective, and safe. It is FDA cleared. Now with 10 million Silken FDA cleared skin care devices, In the hands of customers worldwide, the founding vision of smoother, softer, clearer, tighter, healthier skin for people everywhere has been a reality. Gentle and effective anti-aging routine, the Silken Titan. Upgrade your at-home skincare strategy with an aesthetic device that borrows from professional technology, achieving next-level results on your own. The Silken Titan can be used all over your face and neck to treat a multitude of concerns. It tightens and lifts saggy skin, reverses the effects of aging, repairs damage, and smooths the look of fine lines and wrinkles. The Titan makes professional-grade technology much more accessible and affordable. This thing retails for $269, I believe. Let me go ahead and check that to make sure that I'm right on that quote. I do believe I am. Yeah, so this thing does retail for $269. They will do payment plans, and what they exactly said it is. Okay, they do interest-free installment payment plans. So where you can pay little by little, because it is kind of pricey, but if you go and have this stuff done professionally, you will know that it's way more expensive than to just do it at home. And I do have a coupon code that you can use. It's Titan Set at checkout, and I'll actually put the link in the promo code and everything in the description box down below. And you can also save 15% off on the Titan. And what you will get is you will get the carrying case. You will get 2 of the gels, which I only got 1, just saying. And then you'll get the headband and then the device. So that's a really, really good deal. And I will also be able to give you 15% off from July 10th to the 19th. That is when that promo code will be good. So I will put that in the description box down below. I'm going to tell you a little more about it. So the Silken Titan is for women and men of all skin types, addressing all signs of aging. Infrared heat, IR, works on skin surface, improves texture, pore size, reduces superficial sun and age spots, dark circles, and makes skin smooth and glow. So that is what the infrared heat does. And I've actually went to a spa place and had this treatment where they just have like the red light on your skin and you sit there for about 30 minutes. Light emitting diodes, I think that's how they say DIODES, LED. It reaches the dermis layer, rejuvenates skin, and restores collagen. It stimulates cell renewal and fibroblast production, reducing wrinkles, improves skin's appearance, such as crow's feet, fine lines, and frown lines. Okay, sorry about that. And it's also bipolar radio frequency, RF. That's the third feature that it has. It reaches deep layers of the skin, tightens loose skin, not lost, and promotes new collagen and elastin. Responding to sagging, loss of firmness, sagging jaw or neck, vertical lip lines, marionette lines, nostril folds, wrinkles, and hooded eyes, and pebbled chin. And this just kind of shows you the bipolar energy goes about 4 millimeters deep. The LED energy goes about 1.8 millimeters deep, and the IR heat energy goes 0.5 millimeters deep. And it just kind of shows you like a skin graph. And I did get this from Tryazon. It's TRYAZON, to host a party on my Facebook channel, which I've already done. And I did receive this completely free to test out and to share with family, friends, and my subscribers and stuff. You can actually sign up for tries-on as well. I will put their link in the description box down below, because they do have a lot of parties. I've hosted a lot of parties for them, and it's completely free, and anybody can do that. You don't have to be a YouTuber. You can just be anyone and get to try out stuff like this. I even got like $100 sheet set to try out, which I loved at first, and then I mean, my husband's feet are like sandpaper, and somehow these 1,000 thread count sheets, his feet still sanded through, which I was super excited, because I go through sheets like this when I got that party. I was like, yes, I don't have to spend $100 on a set of sheets, because I have to get the 1,000 thread count. So this year I just went to Macy's and bought a ton. I've literally got like 4 sheet sets, and I'm like, okay, this better last me over a year. But yes, so I will go ahead and put like the link to tries-on in the description box down below. They are awesome, a great company, great to work with, and I just love them all the way around. And I get to keep this device once I'm done with this. So you guys will be seeing the results, being my subscribers. You know how my skin is and was and has been, so that's awesome. So you guys are like on this journey with me. Okay, I've already described that. So this paper right here, it kind of tells you like how to use it. When you're going on your forehead, you want to use motions like this on the front, top, and bottom. Like I said, 10 to 15 minutes per section. This, you want to just kind of go lightly in, then kind of put pressure when you go out, and just kind of go like that. You can hear it kind of like zapping right now, and that's like because it's not as wet, so you can kind of hear the energy going through your skin. Neck, you want to work it actually up and down motion, and I've been like going like this on the jawline personally, but it actually says you want to work it in up and down motion. Chin, just like this. Brown line, up and down, and then this, back and forth. Pretty easy. And this is a tries-on Titan. Just kind of tells you all about them. These are the hashtags. You should go follow them, because like I said, they're the ones that are hosting this party, and the reason why I get to try this out. So you can see my skin's pretty red. And that's that gel kind of balls up once it's like loses its moisture, and it just kind of sticks to your face, which is fine. You just wash it off when you're done. And you do want to wash your face before using this device. I've already washed it. They actually sent me like a face brush and a face cleaner also to go with this, just so that I can clean it before doing the party. But you don't have to use their face wash or their brushes or anything. You can use anything at home. You can use your hands in a face wash. You just want to make sure your skin is clean before using this product. So I'm pretty much done with that area. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and I'm going to do down here. So, I mean, it's been really nice. Like I said, today is actually my birthday. Yeah, I'm 34 today. And like my skin, like I can see that I'm aging. Like, I know a lot of people think I'm like in my early 20s still. I'm not. But this year I've noticed, like, I used to do this and I had no like wrinkles, and I don't like really have like wrinkles, but I can see where they're wanting to show up, which I never had an issue with before. So I'm like, it's like really good to start using products like this, even if you are in your 20s, just to prevent. I wish I would have had this a couple years ago, because maybe like it was like literally this year that I started seeing that. I have always had like deep lines on my neck, which I'm hoping this will help fix, because it's just from me always looking at my phone. My husband's always teasing me, saying that I have a turkey gobbler, because I'm always like this. Like looking at my phone, like, leave me alone, you know? Let me age gracefully. But I love this product. It is really good. I can't wait to try out some more products from them. If you guys want to see me test out more products from them, let me know. Maybe I could reach out to them and see if they wouldn't be willing to send me something else to try out for you guys, because I know you guys like seeing new products that are out on the market like this. I know my channel, I mean, I don't have a ton of subscribers, but the subscribers that I do have, you guys are amazing, and thank you so much for supporting my channel and always being there for me, because this, like, it really makes me happy. I like doing videos for you guys. As you can see, it's getting really warm. I just started out on level 5. You see, like, I don't always follow the rules. I usually start out on level 5. You hear that zapping? I don't know if you guys can hear it. Maybe I can just hear it because it's on my skin. Because it's dry, so now I can hear it, like, the energy. But it feels so good. Like, it's just like a face massage with like a warm, like having like a warm metal spoon or something just rubbing it on your face. It's like, oh, it feels so good. I bet it would feel really good in the wintertime when it's really cold. But it's gonna feel amazing. But yes, like I said, I will be posting everything in the description box down below. Coupon codes, about tries on, more about Silken, and about the product in general. Yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in with me. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell down in the corner below so that you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. Stay tuned. I will be showing you before and after pictures about 10 weeks from now. Well, this is my second week of trying this. This is my 5th try. You're supposed to use it twice a week for 10 weeks is like the maximum results, so about 10 weeks total. So it's been 2 so far. I will show you my before and after pictures. Like, I can already tell a difference in my skin. It's like, it just feels tighter. I'm hoping that it helps with the pores. So far, I still have pores right here because I have kind of like bigger pores just right here. Like, you can't see them unless you like look really close at my skin, but I do have them. So I'm hoping that it helps with that because I don't like makeup settling into your pores. But stay tuned for that. Hit the notification bell so that when I do show those, you will be notified when I upload that video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.